everybody, Rose from Bridgewater Public Library. Thanks for joining me today. So today, this coming weekend is Memorial Day, so I wanted to do something that looks like poppy flowers. So that's our mission for the day, and we're going to use a straw to do the flowers. And once this painting dries, just so you know, a couple of the paintings from the Art and with Rose series is on display in the display case at the circulation desk, and this painting will be there as well. It's, you know, things look different in real life versus on the camera or a photo, so we thought we'd let you see what they really look like up close and personal. So go check that out. And let's get to the table. Hey everybody. Okay, let's see if this works. So I've got, this is called Vermilion. It's a deep reddish orange. Then I have some red. I'm just gonna take out of this bottle. And then I've got this, it looks like a pinky red. So we're gonna flood the canvas. This is 11 by 14. So first thing is to flood the canvas with these colors. Just gonna do that so it gets on the edges. Okay, and more. And use all this red up. I'm gonna just let that drain. I want mostly the red and this vermilion, and we're just gonna put some of the pink as like a highlight. Okay, just trying to get all this red. So we're going for poppies, which are mostly red, but they are orangey red, right? That's what I'm going with. All right. So just gonna spread it out. Make sure it's all covered. Okay. Now I just need some paper towels. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure the corners are covered. I can't really see over here. Okay. Covered. We'll get rid of the air bubbles. Just mixed, so there are air bubbles. this is Amsterdam white titanium, or titanium white. And this creates cells, so I'm gonna use it all. I think this is the right white. Oh boy, I hope I grabbed the right white. I guess I'll find out. We'll find out together if I grab the right white. Now I'm not sure if I grabbed the correct white. Okay, so I have my paper towel. These are automotive paper towels, so they're a little heavier. And just see. And I've got my spray bottle. I'm just gonna dampen the edge. Oops. Okay. And I'm gonna put it in the white. Make sure it's touching. And we'll find out if I grab the correct white, which I don't know because there's nothing happening. Oh no, did I get the wrong white? Well, I think I grabbed the wrong white. Oh well. That's how it goes. We're gonna try to make it work anyway. Okay. So I'm thinking I got the wrong white. That's about right. We're gonna still try to make it work. So I've got regular black and I got a metallic. We'll try it with the regular black first. Maybe it'll work. And you might see the top of my head. So let's give it a try. We'll just do one first. So this is my straw, which has paint on one end, so we don't want to put that end in my mouth. Okay, that's a bummer. I got the wrong white. Here we go. Now I gotta move things around. Okay, there's one. That worked. All right. So you can make them as big as you want or as small as you want. So that was the regular black, which worked. So I'm happy about that. And we're gonna try it with the metallic black and see if that does any different. So that one's metallic. And let's see. So which do I like better? I think I like the regular black better. But that's still pretty too. I'll do a couple more and then play around. So I'm going to do another one right here, I think. Definitely have to move it around. There's a lot of paint right there, so. All right. Let's do one over here. Cool. So then what you can do is you can, I'm just gonna put some paint, black paint in a puddle here. Take something, I'm gonna just dip it here and then make stems. All right, so I'm gonna put a couple more in. I'm gonna pause you, put a couple more in, and then show you again up close. But yeah, it worked. Even though I had the wrong white, there's not much cells going on, it still worked. So I'm going to show it to you up close wet. I'm going to put a couple more flowers in. And see, all you needed was a straw. You flood the canvas. I dragged the white and put black and blew out the black. So I'll be back to show you closer. I'm happy. Okay, hold on. All right, here's a close-up of it wet. I like the big flower, the first one we did. I like this bud in the corner. I tried to add some black to the one that had the metallic. And here's my field of poppies. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. Be safe and peace.